Good day to you. In this chapter, what we're going to be looking at is unit conversions, converting from one unit of measure to another unit of measure. In this problem, what we're going to be looking at is conversions of units in the realm of temperature. So what we have here is we have a temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to convert that to Kelvin scale and then to degrees Celsius scale as the conversion. I may not go directly from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. It's a little bit easier in this case to go from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And so if we want to convert this to degrees Celsius, we're going to use the following conversion. Degrees Celsius is equal to 5/9 times the degrees Fahrenheit, which is given to us, minus 32. That is the conversion we're going to use. And so if we plug our numbers into there, so we get 5/9 times, this now is 106 because that's what's given to us, degrees Fahrenheit, minus 32. We can get rid of that degrees Fahrenheit. What that's going to give us is that gives us 41.1 degrees Celsius. All right. Now that we have this in degrees Celsius, we can convert it into Kelvin. And so in order to do that, our Kelvin scale is going to be equal to our degrees Celsius scale, 41.1 degrees Celsius plus 273.15. We go through and do this arithmetic, we get 314.26 Kelvin. In this one, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be converting 3,410 degrees Celsius. We're going to be converting that to the Kelvin scale and then to the degrees Fahrenheit scale. All right. Now, and this happens to be the melting point of tungsten, a really unique material. For the Kelvin scale, we're going to take the 3,410 degrees Celsius, and to that we're going to add 273.15. We go through and do that arithmetic, we get 3,683.15 Kelvin. Now if we want to convert this to the Fahrenheit scale, the Fahrenheit scale is going to be, the Fahrenheit scale is equal to 9/5 the degrees Celsius plus 32. And so now what we'll do is we'll simply substitute into this equation the degrees Celsius. So this becomes 9/5 3,410 plus 32. We do this arithmetic, we get, forgot my equal sign, equals to 6,170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the last problem, we're going to take 6,110 Kelvin and we're going to convert that into degrees Celsius and then into degrees Fahrenheit. I've not given you an equation to go from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. It's easier to just go from Kelvin to Celsius and then to Fahrenheit. And in order to do that, our degrees Celsius is going to be equal to, let me get the right color there. It's kind of nice to be consistent. We're going to take now degrees Celsius is equal to our Kelvin temperature minus 273.15. We do that arithmetic and we get 5,826.85 degrees Celsius simply by doing the subtraction. Now, we've already seen this one. If we want to get the degrees Fahrenheit, that is going to be equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. So we can substitute in now for our degrees Celsius. We just found that. So that becomes 9/5 times 5,826.85 Be careful to use this number and not that number. This is the degrees Celsius. That's the Kelvin plus 32. We do that arithmetic, and what we get is we get 10,520.33 degrees Fahrenheit.